Before air conditioning, summer was a hot and sticky affair. People relied on fans, ice, and shade to keep cool. Sleeping on hot nights was a challenge. Many people slept outdoors or on their roofs for some relief. Workplaces were often unbearable. Productivity suffered in the heat. Imagine a world without air conditioning. It's hard to imagine life without this modern marvel. But for most of human history, that was the reality. People endured the heat, often with great difficulty. The invention of air conditioning changed everything. It revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. It made hot climates more hospitable. It enabled the growth of cities in desert regions. In the next section, we'll meet the man who made it all possible, Willis Carrier. His invention would change the world forever. Stay tuned. Willis Carrier was a brilliant engineer. He was born in 1876 in New York. Carrier had a passion for solving problems. One problem in particular would consume his attention: controlling humidity. Carrier graduated from Cornell University in 1901. He started working for the Buffalo Forge Company. The company manufactured heating and ventilation systems. It was here that Carrier began his groundbreaking work. In 1902, Carrier was tasked with a unique challenge. A Brooklyn printing company was having trouble with its printing process. The humidity was causing the paper to expand and contract, ruining the color registration. Carrier set out to find a solution. Little did he know, his solution would change the world. Carrier's invention would not only solve the printing company's problem, but also give birth to a whole new industry: air conditioning. The Sackett and Wilhelms Lithographing and Printing Company in Brooklyn faced a frustrating problem. The humid summer air was wreaking havoc on their printing process. The relentless heat and moisture in the air were more than just uncomfortable. They were a business nightmare. The paper would absorb moisture, expand, and then contract as it dried. This constant cycle of expansion and contraction was a printer's worst enemy. This constant fluctuation in size made it impossible to align the different colored inks accurately. Each time the paper changed size, the alignment would be thrown off. The result was blurry images and inconsistent colors. The quality of the prints was so poor that it was becoming a significant issue for the company. The company was losing money and clients due to the poor quality of their prints. The situation was dire, and the future of the business was at stake. Desperate for a solution, they turned to the Buffalo Forge Company, experts in ventilation and air handling. They needed a way to control the environment inside the plant. A young engineer named Willis Carrier was assigned to the task. Carrier was innovative and determined to solve this complex problem. He knew he had to find a way to control not just temperature, but also humidity. Carrier's solution was ingenious. He envisioned a system that could manage both aspects simultaneously. He designed a system that cooled the air by passing it over chilled pipes. This method was revolutionary for its time. This process not only lowered the temperature, but also condensed the moisture out of the air, reducing humidity to optimal levels. The printing plant could finally produce high-quality prints consistently. Section 4. Air conditioning is born. Carrier's invention worked by circulating air through a system of chilled pipes. This innovative approach allowed for the air to be cooled efficiently, making it a groundbreaking solution for controlling indoor climates. The cool pipes caused the moisture in the air to condense. This process was crucial because it not only cooled the air but also reduced the humidity levels, making the environment more comfortable. This condensation was then collected and drained away. By removing the excess moisture, Carrier's system prevented the growth of mold and mildew, which was a common problem in humid environments. The resulting air was not only cooler but also less humid. This dual effect made Carrier's invention highly effective in improving indoor air quality and comfort. Carrier called his invention the apparatus for treating air. This name highlighted the system's ability to manage both temperature and humidity, setting it apart from previous cooling methods. This device marked the birth of modern air conditioning. It was a revolutionary step forward in climate control technology, paving the way for future advancements. It was a significant departure from previous attempts at cooling. Earlier methods were often inefficient and could not adequately control humidity. Earlier methods focused mainly on temperature reduction, but Carrier's system tackled humidity as well. This comprehensive approach made it far more effective in creating a comfortable indoor environment. The impact on the printing plant was immediate and dramatic. The controlled environment allowed for more precise printing, which was crucial for maintaining high-quality standards. The paper no longer expanded and contracted, and the colors aligned perfectly. This consistency was vital for the printing industry, which relied on precision. The quality of their printing improved dramatically, saving the company from financial ruin. The financial benefits of Carrier's invention were immediately apparent. Word of Carrier's invention spread quickly. Industries that struggled with humidity issues saw the potential for significant improvements. Other industries facing similar humidity problems took notice. They recognized that Carrier's system could enhance their operations and product quality. Textile mills, tobacco factories, and pharmaceutical companies all sought out Carrier's system to improve their working conditions and product quality. The widespread adoption of air conditioning marked a new era in industrial efficiency and comfort. Section 5. From factories to homes, the spread of cool air. For the first few decades, air conditioning remained primarily an industrial tool. It was used to control the environment in factories, ensuring that machinery operated smoothly and that products were manufactured under optimal conditions. Theaters were among the first public spaces to install air conditioning. This innovation transformed the movie-going experience, making it more comfortable and enjoyable for audiences. People flocked to the movies in summer to escape the heat. The cool air provided a welcome respite from the sweltering temperatures outside. This boosted movie ticket sales significantly. Theaters saw a surge in attendance, especially during the hottest months of the year. Department stores, restaurants, and other businesses followed suit. They recognized the potential of air conditioning to draw in customers who were eager to escape the heat. They realized that air conditioning could attract customers and increase profits, especially during the hot summer months. The cool air created a more pleasant shopping and dining experience. As the technology improved and became more affordable, it gradually made its way into homes. Families began to enjoy the comfort of air conditioning in their living spaces. The post-World War II economic boom in the United States saw a surge in demand for air conditioning. The growing middle class sought to enhance their quality of life with this modern convenience. New homes were built with central air conditioning systems. This became a standard feature in many suburban developments. Window units became a popular and more affordable option for existing homes. These units allowed homeowners to retrofit their houses with air conditioning without the need for extensive renovations. Air conditioning was no longer a luxury, it was becoming a necessity. The widespread adoption of air conditioning transformed everyday life, making it possible to stay cool and comfortable even during the hottest days of summer. Section 6. Life after AC, Comfort, Productivity, and Global Impact. The widespread adoption of air conditioning had a profound impact on society. People could now live and work comfortably in previously inhospitable climates. This led to population growth in the Sun Belt regions of the United States. Cities like Phoenix, Houston, and Miami flourished. Air conditioning increased productivity in workplaces. Workers no longer suffered from heat exhaustion. They could focus better and work longer hours, leading to economic growth. The invention also had significant implications for health and well-being. Heat-related illnesses and deaths decreased dramatically. People with respiratory problems found relief in air-conditioned environments. Air conditioning even played a role in shaping modern architecture. Buildings no longer needed high ceilings, verandas, or other features designed for natural ventilation. Section 7. A chilling conclusion. What's next for cooling? Air conditioning, once a luxury, is now essential. It has transformed our lives in countless ways, but it also presents challenges. Air conditioners consume a lot of energy. This contributes to climate change. Finding ways to make air conditioning more sustainable is crucial. Scientists and engineers are working on developing energy-efficient cooling technologies. These technologies will be essential as the planet gets warmer. The story of air conditioning is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a reminder that we can overcome challenges through innovation. As we face the challenges of the future, the spirit of invention will continue to guide us.